Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss heaps and heap sorting. Let us see what is the heap definition. A heap can be defined as a binary tree with keys assigned to its each nodes that satisfies following two conditions. Condition 1, the binary tree set requirement. Binary tree is complete binary tree, that is all its levels are full except last level where only some rightmost leaves may be missing. Condition 2, the parental dominance requirement. The key at each parent node is greater than or equal to the keys at its children. Then in this below example, only the leftmost tree is a heap because it satisfies both the condition 1 as well as the condition 2. The second tree is not a heap because it does not satisfies the condition 1, that is the leftmost leaves is missing. Only missing of rightmost leaves is allowed in a heap. Similarly, this also not a heap because it does not follows the second condition, that is parental dominance requirement. That is the children node 6 is greater than a parent node 5. That's why this tree is not a heap tree, but the leftmost tree is a heap tree, or it is a heap because it follows both the conditions 1 as well as the condition 2. Let us say that another example, how to represent heap as a array. Then say that you have given heap with this graph as 10, 5, 7, 4, 5, 2, 4, 2, 1. Then convert this graph into array as shown here. That is the index values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the node values are 10, 5, 7 and 4, 2, 1, where 10, 5, 7 are parent nodes and 4, 2, 1 are leaves. Then next discuss what is the heap sort algorithm. Heap sort algorithm has two major stages as shown below. That is the stage 1, heap construction. Construct a heap for a given array, and the second stage 2, that is maximum deletion. Apply the root deletion operation n minus 1 times for remaining heap. Then first discuss what is the bottom up heap construction. For say that you have given list of arrays or you have given elements 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8. Then let us see how to construct bottom up heap for this given list of elements as shown in this diagram. Then for this given list 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8, first construct a binary tree as shown in this diagram. Starts with the root element as a 2, then next elements are 9, 7, next elements are 6, 5, 8 and try to make it as a binary tree. Then next check whether it follows both the conditions of heap. That is, it follows the first condition, that is it is in a binary tree shape, and second one is the parental dominance requirement. If it does not, then try to convert it into an heap. Here in this example, the children or the child node 8 is greater than parent node 7. That's why exchange these two nodes as shown in this diagram. Here in this step, now you have to exchange the values of 7 and 8 and try to make it as a heap. Then after exchanging the values 7 and 7 with 8, you will get the new heap like 2, 9, 8, 6, 5 and 7. Now you have to apply the conditions for these remaining leaves, that is 6 and 5. 6 and 5 are child nodes and 6 and 5 child nodes are less than parent node 9. That's why it holds the condition. 6 and 5 are child nodes and these nodes are less than the parent node 9. That's why it holds the condition. Then go and check for the next level. Then here child node is 9 and the parent node is 2. Also here the child node is 8 and the parent node is 2. Then it does not follows the second condition. Then here to follow the second condition you have to exchange the values of 2 with the 9 as shown here. Then exchange the parent node 2 with the child node 9 as shown in this diagram, that is 2 and 9. Then here it holds the condition, that is 2 is the child and it is the smaller value than the parent node 9. Also 8 is the child node that has the smaller value as that of parent node 9. Then next you have to apply the child nodes 6 and 5 and their parent node value is 2. Here again the parent node 2 is less than the 6 and 5. That's why you have to exchange the values of 6 with 2 as shown in this last step. Exchange the values of 2 and 6 and make 6 as a parent node. Now in this it is a heap that follows both the conditions, that is making a complete binary tree shape and also following the parental dominance requirement. Then here all the parent nodes having greater value compared to their child nodes, and this makes a heap, and this procedure is called as bottom up heap construction. Next discuss the second stage of heap sorting algorithm, that is maximum key deletion from a heap. And the maximum key deletion again follows the 3 steps, that is the step 1, exchange the roots key with the last key of the heap. Second one is step 2, that is decrease the heap size by 1, and step 3 is heapify, means construct the new heap by using bottom up heap construction algorithm. Then below example represents how to delete the maximum key from the given heap. Then for this assume the given heap with this graph as 9, 8, 6, 2, 5, 1. This is a complete binary tree or it is in a heap format. Then now you have to apply the maximum key deletion from a heap. Then first step says that exchange the roots element with the last element. Then here root element is 9 and the last element is 1. That's why exchange the root element with the last element as shown in step 1, that is 1 and 9. Then step 2 says that decrease the heap size by 1. Decrease the heap size by 1 is nothing but delete the last element, that is delete the element 9 as shown in step 2, and you will get the new tree as 1, 8, 6, 2 and 5. Simply decreasing the heap size by 1 is nothing but decrease the root element, or here in this example we are deleting the element 9 and you will get the new binary tree as 1, 8, 6, 2 and 5. Then now for this resultant binary tree, now you have to apply the step 3, that is heapify, means construct a new heap by using bottom up heap construction algorithm as discussed in previous slide. Then for this graph now apply the step 3 as bottom up heap construction, and we will generate the new heap like 8, 5, 6, 2 and 1. Then this is you will get the new heap. Now you have to repeat this process for all the nodes to delete every time to delete one node at a time. Let's apply heap sort for one given example. Say that you have given array with the elements 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8. Then first you have to construct a heap for these given elements 2, 9, 7, 6, 5, 8 as shown in the stage 1, that is the heap construction. Then in the stage 2 you have to apply the maximum deletions. Then in stage 1 when you construct the heap you will get the new heap like you will get the new heap like when you follow the bottom up heap construction algorithm, you will get the new heap as 9, 6, 8, 2, 5 and 7. Then when you follow the stage 1 you will get the new heap. Then for this heap you have to apply the stage 2, that is the maximum deletions. Then by using the maximum deletion algorithm, first you delete the element 9, then apply the heap for the remaining elements. Next you will get the delete the element as 8. Similarly, we can delete the element 7, element 6, element 5, and finally it remains with the 2. This is an sorting example. With this, we can conclude what is heap and what is the heap sort.